Adam and Eve shared the same name when they were created for each other and named by God. Just the same as a husband and wife shares the same name today, still when they get married. Genesis 5 verse 2. He created them male and female, and blessed them, and called them mankind, in the day they were created. The word man and mankind is the word Adam in Hebrew. They were Mr. and Mrs. Adam. This again shows us how important the marriage union is to God, and confirms the scripture which says that the husband and wife shall no longer be two, but become one flesh, as in Mark 10 verse 8. Adam also called Eve bone of his bones and flesh of his flesh, as in Genesis 2 verse 23.